What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about Tesla stock and how one analyst thinks Tesla has a new price target of $400. So Tesla is currently sitting at around $348.79 right now. So we're going to talk about why this analyst thinks Tesla has the potential to go all the way up to $400. Also, let's not forget Tesla has been a very volatile company, and analysts have either really hated on the company or praised the company. At one point we seen an article where an analyst said Tesla would go back down to $50, and now we're seeing an article where Tesla can potentially go back up to $400. So as soon as we see some good news with this company, people are praising the company. Tesla just recently released earnings, which seemed to surprise a lot of traders because they did report a profit. So that alone has given investors a lot of confidence in this company. But either way, before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this video started. So we're just going to hop right into this article, which is why one analyst thinks Tesla stock could soar to $400. So we're just going to take a quick look at Tesla stock right now, currently sitting at $349, having a nice little green day today. And as you can see right here, I have a previous resistance line that I've drawn in the past, which is at around $380, and Tesla is closely approaching that line. So this line has acted as a nice resistance for at least a couple of years right now. And we also have a support line right here. We have a few support lines that I've drawn. One was at 250s, which was where I initially started my first position in Tesla. And then we have even more support lines right here. One is at a 200, and the last one that I have right here is 180, which was the most recent one that it hit. It did not go all the way down to 140, which is another support line, which anything in between this line and this line I would have considered a very strong buy with Tesla. And also Tesla is a company that I have invested in, and I've recently just sold out of all my Tesla shares. Currently right now, the total amount of profit that I've made with Tesla is only $1,015.81. As you can see right here, Tesla Inc. $1,015.81 US dollars, which if you convert that to Canadian is a little bit over $1,400 Canadian in profit that I've made with Tesla. So right now we're going to be taking a look at why one analyst thinks it's going to go all the way up to $400, which if it does become true, that means that Tesla will officially break above this resistance line. And just because we have a resistance line right here does not necessarily mean that it is impossible for the company to break above it, because we've seen that multiple times where a company can break below a support or break above a resistance line. So let's dive into the article, which is less than a month after Tesla once again surprised traders by reporting a profit for the third quarter. Jefferies has raised its 2020 price target on the car maker to $400, which would be the highest that Tesla shares have ever traded if its performance continues strong. So Business Insiders reported Jefferies analyst Philip Hochua had raised his target price of Tesla by 100 and the company's EBIT estimate to 2020 by as much as 4%. He also reaffirmed his buy rating on the stock. Tesla share prices have jumped 20% following the release of its third quarter financial report, which not only beat analysts' expectations, it beat them by a lot, since the Wall Street consensus on Tesla's Q3 was for another loss. So while heavy skepticism about Tesla performance is perfectly understandable given its track record, the company has also built a reputation for its capacity to surprise at the expense of traders betting against it. So the stock has performed well on the headline profitability results, but we continue to see Tesla as significantly overvalued given the challenging prospects that the company is facing with its current product lineup, which is Model S, X, and 3. And our skepticism of the narrative shift to future growth drivers, they said, referring to the Semi and the Model Y and Tesla's solar business, which has been struggling for a while now. The Jefferies analyst, however, is more optimistic in his note to clients. Hochua noted his expectations for increasingly robust financial performances that will result in higher revenues and stronger balance sheets in 2020, despite a warning about the possibility of weaker sales and revenues in the fourth quarter. 2019 is looking good overall and sets a better foundation for the return to growth in 2020 revenues and earnings, the Jefferies analyst wrote. On top of that, we're just going to skim past another article, which is Tesla a buy right now? Here's what earnings has to show. So not too long ago, Musk hinted that 100,000 vehicles sold sold was a possibility, and then Tesla delivered 97,000 electric vehicles in the quarter, meeting the mid-range of Wall Street estimate. So Tesla sold 79,600 Model 3s, and it also delivered 17,400 Model S's and X's, which was just shy of the 100,000 estimates. Tesla also had a goal to produce 360 to 400,000 vehicles this year, which is an increase of 60 to 80% versus a year ago. And to meet that low end of the estimate, it will require Tesla to deliver about 105,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter. Do I think it's possible that Tesla can deliver 105,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter? I think it's definitely possible. It's not that far off of what they already delivered, which is 97,000 electric vehicles. That just means they just have to deliver 8,000 more than they did in the previous quarter. Another thing is Tesla delivers unexpected profits. So this quarter, Tesla did report a profit, which is one of the main reasons as to why Tesla shares have jumped. So Tesla stock surges 18% in reaction as the company turned in an unexpected profit. Tesla reported an adjusted profit of $1.86 a share, smashing the Wall Street's estimates of 45 cents of loss. Revenue of $6.3 billion was slightly below estimates, which was $6.33 billion. So 360,000 vehicles. Not too long ago, we made a video talking about this promise, and a lot of people thinking this probably was impossible for Musk and they're getting way too ahead of themselves. But Tesla right now, they're saying they're highly confident it could meet its goal of delivering 360,000 vehicles this year. A while back, I've actually drawn it in a video called Tesla and Neo Doomed, and I talked about this support line. I'll probably show you guys a quick little clip. So Tesla right now is sitting at $194.37. So Tesla has not seen these numbers since December of 2016. We do seem to have a support right now at around $180, which we almost hit today. The reason why I've drawn the support line was because this line right here previously acted as a support in the past. As you can see right here, we hit the support line 1, 2, 3 times in the past already, and we hit it most recently. So I've had this line drawn in for a while. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys will know that the red line usually means a strong buy for me. So what happened here was that Tesla hit this support line right here, as you could see, and immediately bounced off the support line. Has been uptrending pretty much since the end of May. Reasons why Tesla has had a good run, we will also be talking about that. Right now, Tesla seems to have a resistance right here at around $233. Today we had a gap up above the resistance line, and that's mostly because Tesla announced a record number of Tesla vehicles delivered in this quarter. A lot of volume, seems to be a little oversold. Usually what happens with gaps up is they get filled. It's a possibility that Tesla might have a small pullback, but I still do think Tesla can continue to run. Right now, Tesla was up 4.61% today, currently up 0.15% in the post market. Tesla's technical analysis is a buy in the 1 day. The 1 minute is also a buy, and a buy. So right now, both Neo and Tesla technical analysis is looking like a buy. The same thing happened here with Tesla. We had the Bollinger Bands and the 50-day moving average cross. After they crossed, Tesla had a huge run, actually had a nice gap up. We're seeing the same thing with Tesla charts. We're crossing again. So could that potentially mean that we're having a pullback? Also getting a sell signal here. Could be possible that we see Tesla have a minor pullback tomorrow, mostly because we have a gap up. We have the Bollinger Bands moving, crossing here, and we have the MACD line showing us a sell signal. So now we're going to move on to some Neo news. So there you have it. Thanks to Tesla's amazing quarter and reporting profits, plus Tesla almost delivering 100,000 vehicles, which is just bringing them 105,000 vehicles away from their goal, well, the bottom part of their goal of 360,000 vehicles being sold. Thanks to all that, Tesla has been on fire lately. Yes, I have sold off all my Tesla shares. I am no longer a shareholder. So if Tesla does go up all the way to $400 a share, I won't be enjoying those gains. Right now, I was happy with my profits. I was happy with the money I made. So I just decided to collect some profits. Markets are very volatile right now. So I'm at a point where I see decent profits. I'm just collecting them. And I have some cash ready just in case I do see some companies that I am attracted to right now. So let me know your thoughts and opinions. Do you think Tesla will be going all the way up to $400, or do you think we'll be hitting that 380 support line and then dropping once again? Because we can't seem to get over that 380 support line. But if this analyst is correct, which it won't surprise me, especially if Tesla releases another amazing quarter, which would be their fourth quarter. If Tesla delivers over 105,000 vehicles, it could be possible that Tesla goes over $400 a share. But until then, this is just all a guess and nothing is guaranteed. But for now, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Give me your thoughts and opinions on the company. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.